So I don't care that what you say, 'cause forever I will pray. You're the light of me, as the best of me. Please stay by me. Will I get real to hold me close? Oh my darling, you're the boss. I love you, but do you love me? Oh Diana, can't you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we will never part. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh my darling, oh my lover, tell me that I love you with your my heart. Oh oh, oh oh. And you can take my heart, only you can test it apart. When you hold me, hold your loving arms, I can feel you in me, oh charm. Hold me, darling, hold me tight. Squeeze me, baby, with all your might. Oh, please stay, my baby Diana.
Ayan guys, meron tayong taba ng baboy na pinapamantika. At mayroon tayong munggo. At andyan ang mga ano natin. Ayan guys, igigisa na natin. Hindi lang makita kasi malalim yung kaldero eh. Sa kaldero ko lang siya igisa kasi malalim. Para masabawan. Luto tayo ng munggo. Bawang. Sunod natin yung munggo. Tapos palapas ang apoy. Yan. Sabawan natin. Lagyan natin ng ano, Nortos. Lagay natin yung baboy na pinamantika kanina. Lagyan natin ng asin. Lagyan natin ng bechin. Tapos hintayin natin na kumulo. at saka alugbate.
Asin ako.
Para maluto siya.
Ikaw ng pagbabago mo.
Hintayin natin na kumulo. Lagyan natin ng chicharon. Okay na yan guys. Luto na yan.